Workout 1 is Gymnastics Fantastic, and this is made up of 3 2-minute windows. The first one being, 1 point, you're going to get, ready, 3, it's still rolling. Workout 1 is Gymnastics Fantastic, and this is made up of 3 2-minute windows. In each 2-minute window, you have 3 scales. One will get you 1 point, the next one 2 points, the next one 3 points. You and your partner can have 2 different scales, and you can go between all 3 movements. First one being, for 1 point, will be a ring row. Feet will be on tab, arms must be fully looked out and extended. Thumbs must touch the chest, and back to full extension to gain your point. For 2 points, you have a pull-up. The pull-up, arms are fully extended, chin must go directly over the bar. We will have a strict variation, you can also kip, and butterfly will also count. You choose your scale. For 3 points, we have chest to bar. And again, variations could be strict, could be kipping, or could even be butterfly. Next on, there'll be a 1-minute transition between each movement. Here we'll test your push. For 1 point, you'll have hand release push-ups. From there, arms fully extended, chest must go to the floor, knees locked out, release your hands, and press to extension. For 2 points, you'll have a 10-kilo plate and an ab mat. Arms start at full extension, and to gain 2 points, you must reach full extension again, like so. For 3 points, you and your partner will have a mat, and arms must reach full extension. Kipping and strict variations are allowed. Finally, you will have 1 point for butterfly sit-ups. Arms must touch the floor behind you and must touch in front of your toes, like so. For 2 points, you have toes to ring. Your toes must make contact with the rings, and again, arms at full extension, like so. Finally, for 3 points, we have toes to bar. Arms at full extension, toes must make contact with the bar to gain 3 points. This will be scored by an accumulation of you and your partner's repetitions over our pull-ups, ring rows and chest to bars, our push-ups, handstand push-ups, and finally sit-ups, toes to ring, or toes to bar. Enjoy WOD 1. WOD 2 is Strong AF, and this is made up of 2 4-minute sections. First section will be a 1 rep max push press. You and your partner will have 4 minutes to find your best lift. You do not have to lift the same as each other. With a push press, the bar must be in a front rack position. You will dip down and extend overhead. When I'm fully extended, arms must be locked out and knees must be locked out, like so. We then have another 4-minute section. There'll be a 1-minute transition. Push press will be done from the rack, cleans will be done from the floor. Variation of cleans. You can choose to power clean, or you can choose to squat clean. And again, you have 4 minutes to load through. You do not have to lift the same as your partner. We'll combine your team's push press score along with your team's clean score. Enjoy WOD 2. WOD 3 is acid bath, and this is for time with you and your partner. Change whenever you like. 500 meter ski, 1000 meter bike, 500 meter row, finishing with 15 down ups. The flow of this will be, you and your partner are not allowed on the next machine until all 500 meters, 1000 or 500 meters are done. Only when your judge gives you the go ahead can you move and progress forward to the next machine. The WOD will be finished with 15 down ups. They must be synchro. The synchro of the movement will be at the top. You both will go down chest to floor, you will jump. The synchro movement will be when both of your hips are extended at the top. The WOD will be done and you'll have a time after the 15 down-ups are complete. Enjoy WOD 3. WOD 4, your final workout, is NSYNC. What we're looking for here is 4 movements. All must be synchro. First one being dumbbell snatch. For the rule of a dumbbell snatch, both heads of a dumbbell must make contact with the floor. The synchro will be overhead. Both heads of a dumbbell touch the floor. The synchro again, overhead. Once you've performed your 8 dumbbell snatches, you and your partner will do 16 synchro air squats. We look for your hip crease to be beneath the bottom of your knee and stand to extension. The synchro will be at the top of the extension. 16 synchro air squats. You'll then progress to 8 dumbbell clean and jerk. You'll hang the clean and jerk synchro at the top of the movement. You do not have to change arms with this, and you both don't have to use the same arm. Once you have done your 8 dumbbell clean and jerk, you'll stand back from your dumbbell and you will do 16 synchro lunges. What we look for is back knee to floor, 90 degrees and 90 degrees. The synchro is back at your extension, and again, you do not have to use the same leg. As long as you're at synchro at the top of the movement, your rep will count. This is an 8-minute AMRAP, so if you complete 1 round of dumbbell snatches, air squats, clean and jerk, and lunges, you go back to your dumbbell snatch and see however many rounds you can do in the 8 minutes. This will be your final workout. This will be done for today. Enjoy.